Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to post automatically, which is going to save you hours, days, sometimes months. How to post automatically from a database or from a spreadsheet or whatever you have all the information into your social media channels. So if you saw the video before, which I'm going to post somewhere here, I was able to get the information from my YouTube videos, transcribe it, summarize it, and put it into a database just like this one, right? So you have all the information, the title, the ID, the URL, the views, the date, the duration. I have the summary of what I'm going to be posting in Facebook, the day that I wanted to post, and then the status of the actual post. So I'm just going to test it with you guys. I'm going to change some dates here, but what I wanted to show you here is how simple you can actually connect Make, which is this automation, low code, no code automation platform, which is a no charge. You can actually have a free plan and have like 2 active automations on. So make.com is one of the tools that I use. And then Airtable, which is also a no charge. They have a free tier that you can actually use, create as many bases or databases for you to be able to input the data. You can actually use a spreadsheet like, Google Sheets. But in this case, I'm just using these two, which is my preference at this point in time. But all I want to do is show you, I'm going to move my head out of the way here, is show you how easy it is for you to set this up. So you have Airtable. In this Airtable, I have my YouTube channel base, which is this YouTube channel, right? Then I'm looking at table 1, which is table 1, as you can see. And then I'm looking at the view ready to post, which in this case would be this view ready to post. Okay. So you can see the ready to post column and you have the date. Sounds good. Now, that's all I need to do on this part. For the Facebook page, all I need to do is connect the Facebook module, which if you have used Make in the past, all you have to do is click this add button, click, and you look for whatever you need, either Facebook, either to, Facebook pages, leads, insights, you have Google Sheets, anyways, you have many applications that you can utilize here as modules so that you can connect things together, and that way you can start automating. So in this case, I just selected the Facebook page. I selected the page, which I created recently, which is this one here. You can see that this was done a few days ago. And then you connect it. You actually put in the message, which is coming from the Airtable. In this case, is Facebook summary, which, as you can see here, it is the Facebook summary, which is the same Facebook summary that you have in this column. Okay. And then the other one is the URL, which again comes from a field in the table, which gets transferred here. And I'm going to show you again. You got to wait until the end for me to make it work. But this is the URL, which is actually mapped to this column here. And then that's it for this module. And then what I want to do is, once I make the post, I want to update the database again to say that it posted. So as you can see here, I'm calling the same database, which is YouTube channel. I'm calling the same table. I'm actually grabbing the ID, which is coming from this one here. So the ID, the record ID. So making sure that I'm updating the actual record ID that I want. So this is an updated record. And all I'm doing is changing my Facebook status to posted. Okay. So it's pretty simple automation, but as you can see, I have post, since I've done so many YouTube videos now, I didn't want to spend this much time. I have post until June 5th. And this is like posting every day just because I want to catch up from YouTube. But if I want to do these every 2 or 3 days, then I probably have these posts for the rest of the year and I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to think about it and it'll run automatically. Okay. So what I want to do is show you here, as you can see, is running daily at 8 p.m. You can actually click there and you can actually select whether you want regular intervals, once, just one run, several days of the week, days of the month, specific dates, on demand. Doesn't matter. In this case, I'm going to run it daily and I'm going to run it at 8 p.m. But for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to come to the table here and I'm going to change the date for this item. So it's ready to post. Let me see. I want to actually delete this one because this was on a previous run. But once you have everything ready, it's ready to post. Today is the 24th. So I'm just going to change that back to the 23rd just to make sure. Actually, it's doing the day now or before. So I'm just going to do the 24th, which is today. And then I'm going to update the rest of the columns. But I just wanted to kind of show this to you. So I changed this to the 24th. That means that if I run this automation, it should pick up. I'm going to show you the filter. So it's doing post date less than or equal to now. So if it is the 24th, it is going to post it now. So all I have to do is just make sure you guys see this. I'm going to refresh the page. You can see this one about time converter. So I'm just going to check this table right here. And this one is related to, or actually this one is a Pomodoro app. So I'm just going to run it and it's just going to take like 10 seconds. So it's picking up the ones that are in the past, but it's only filtering the one that I want to post, which is anything that is prior or now. And then if I look at this, you can see that it is talking about discover how I built this Pomodoro timer app. Okay, it has all the information. It grabbed all the information from that specific column, and it actually has the URL as well. As you can see here, it has all the information as well, and the Facebook status is now posted. And if I go now to the table, you can see that the Pomodoro timer right now, it has a status of posted. And if I go to my Facebook page and I refresh, I should see the same post. So let's discover how I build this Pomodoro timer app using AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude without writing a single line of code. Learn to structure, test, and debug your app while leveraging AI to automate development. Perfect for beginners and aiming to enter the tech world effortlessly. Start your coding free journey today and transform ideas into real-world applications. It has the hashtags and it has the full video. And if I click on this video, it should take me to my channel and this should start playing.